In 2019, the Clemson Extension Agricultural Safety Program built their grain bin entrapment simulator. The grad student at the time, Mr. Jacob Koch from the Clemson Agricultural Sciences Department, designed the simulator with the hopes of educating high school students about grain bin hazards. With the help of undergraduate students, grad students, faculty, and staff, the simulator was created from the ground up. It made its debut in February of 2023 with its first ever training. The program has now branched out to not only educating high school students on grain bin hazards and entrapments, but also to offer trainings to fire and rescue teams across South Carolina and neighboring states. So, a little bit about how our trainings go. First, we establish a ground crew and a rescue crew. We will then determine who our victim is and entrap them in plastic pellets that mimic grain. The ground crew will start to pass up supplies to the upper deck, including panels, foot panels or snowshoes, probe, rescue auger, and pry bar. The rescue team will then climb into the bin using the foot panels to displace their weight. They then use the probe to find the victim's furthest extremities, in our case, their feet, so they know where to place the rescue panels. The panels are placed around the victim, and then the step is used to push the panels deeper into the grain to prevent the grain from spilling back onto the victim. Then the team will bring in the rescue auger to remove grain from around the victim. If the victim is conscious, they are given a scoop to help keep their mind off the situation. Once enough grain has been removed and the victim can exit the panels on their own, they can use the step and pry bar to assist them out and over the wall. From here, rescuers then begin the process of removing all rescue devices and separating each individual panel to be passed back to the ground crew. During our trainings with fire and rescue teams, we have found that a vast majority of them have little to no experience working in or around grain bins. So this gives them hands-on, real-world experience for this type of situation. We offer free trainings in South Carolina and now offer trainings to neighboring states, including North Carolina and Georgia. If you are interested in learning more or scheduling a training, please contact us today.